Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Leo. Leo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Leo people, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay, so Leo, this is your current energy, Two of Wands. Leo, it seems like you want to take some action towards somebody, okay? But something is there which you want, you are waiting for something, okay? You are ready to take action, but you are waiting for something. You have these two wands with you. You are someone who can take actions right now. But it seems like you are waiting for something. And since you have an ocean in front of you, perhaps you are waiting for the right time to move ahead. Okay. Same goes with your relationship. Perhaps you want to take some actions towards your partner, but you feel that this is not the right time for me to move ahead. I should wait. That's what you must be going through. These kind of emotions that I should wait, I should see what other person is doing. Is my presence and absence is affecting the other person? Okay, so this is your current energy, Leo. On the other hand, we have Four of Swords. It seems like your person doesn't care about your feelings. It seems like your person doesn't think about you much. Okay, they are doing their own tasks, they are busy in their own life, and they are being very, very silent. They are doing their own stuff, but they are not talking to you. They are doing their own, they are just living their regular life, but they are not concerned about you at all. This is the reason they are acting as sleeping. There is no communication from their side, there is no commitment from their side, there is nothing from their side, and hence you are waiting for them. You want to see how much this person adores you, how much this person loves you, how much this person respects you, how much this person miss you. Only then you will be able to take some actions. Okay, but on the other hand, your person is relaxing. They are having their good own time with their own people, but when it comes to you and when it comes to this relationship, they act as a dead. Okay, now let's see what is the mutual current energy. The current mutual energy is silence. Both of you are silent in your own ways. Okay, they are acting as a dead. So yes, I told you that there is no communication from their side. There is no commitment, no communication. It is a silent relationship. And since you are waiting for them to take some action, this is the reason you are also silent. So a lot of silence is there in this relationship. Okay. Now, Leo, I have pulled through 3 cards for you. The first card is what your person feels about you or how they see you. The second card is what actions they are taking towards you right now. And third is what actions they can take towards you in future. So the first card is playfulness. It seems like your person thinks about you that you are someone who is like a joker, who is like a clown. Okay, they see you as somebody who is always try to make or try to please other people. You are someone, if I talk about in a positive manner, they see you as somebody who takes life very lightly. Somewhere somehow I feel that your person don't think that you are mature enough to handle this relationship or to handle them. Okay, the current action which your person is taking towards you is nothing, because they are going with the flow. So according to them, if you approach them, they'll be okay. If you do not approach them, they'll be okay. So they are okay in either ways. So right now they are going with the flow. If you connect with them, they will say, okay, I'll talk to this person. If you don't, they won't call you back. They won't call you back. And the future card is saying innocence. This card is saying to me that they are busy in their own life. As I told you in the beginning, this person is very much involved or very much busy in their own life, with their own commitments, At this point of time, this person must be in future, in short, I am not seeing any kind of actions from their side towards you, because they are being very very busy in their own toxic relationships. They are busy with their own friend circle, which is not good for them. They are busy with certain people in their life who are not good for their growth and expansion. Okay. So Leo, it seems like some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so Leo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.